Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Audi Q5 S-Line Plus. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine, the automatic gearbox and 4-wheel drive Quattro system, which is Ulez compliant, producing the more powerful 187 brake horsepower version of the diesel engine, returning up to 47 miles to the gallon, and the insurance group is 29. This is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the metallic Scuba blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As for everything inside, typical Audi quality, so everything feels really nice to touch and nice and solid. The front seats are leather and also heated at the front. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control, which is just down there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirrors controls, as well as your 4 window switches, and that button down there is just for the electric tailgate as well. The Q5 is a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own charging port, as well as 2 air vents in the centre. And it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Audi as well. Opening the tailgate, like I mentioned, which is electric, reveals a really good sized boot there. Goes back a long way with the rear seats that can be split, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage, as well as your subwoofer, and there's also a tyre pump in the side of the boot storage as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, we'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.